Ever wondered what the future of electric vehicles looks like? Imagine a car that not only turns heads but also pushes the boundaries of innovation and design. Welcome to the Tesla Model Q 2025, a futuristic masterpiece that redefines the world of electric vehicles. Let's dive into the details. The Tesla Model Q 2025 is finally making waves, with fresh reports suggesting that this small, more affordable Tesla is nearing its production phase. Designed to be a premium super mini, the Model Q combines cutting-edge features with a competitive price point, bringing Tesla's signature innovation to a wider audience. Let's start with the exterior design. The Tesla Model Q 2025 comes in a stunning metallic red finish, exuding a futuristic aesthetic that's unmistakably Tesla. At the front, the minimalist grille highlights Tesla's commitment to an all-electric future with zero emissions. The sharp LED headlights not only add to the car's elegance, but also enhance visibility and safety. Moving to the rear, the aerodynamic lines seamlessly blend with modern taillights. The prominent Tesla logo ensures everyone knows this is a top-tier electric vehicle. And those Falcon Wing doors? They're not just eye-catching, they're practical, offering easy access even in tight spaces. Step inside, and the Tesla Model Q 2025 continues to impress. The interior is a luxurious haven, featuring bold red leather seats that elevate the sense of sophistication. Every detail, from the ergonomic seating to the premium materials, screams comfort and refinement. At the center of the minimalist dashboard is a large touchscreen, providing intuitive control over all vehicle functions. Now, let's talk specs. The Tesla Model Q is rumored to feature advanced batteries for extended range, upgraded autopilot features, and potentially full self-driving capabilities. As for the price, it's expected to start at less than $30,000 after subsidies, making it a premium yet accessible choice for electric car enthusiasts. And the release date? Insiders hint that we might see the Model Q hit the roads by mid-2025. So, what do you think of the Tesla Model Q 2025 in its striking metallic red with a luxurious red interior? Is this the electric car you've been waiting for? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And remember to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest trends in automotive innovation. Until next time, keep dreaming of the future